Dear students, in this video we will discuss about 7 basic patterns of a sentence. First, subject plus verb, or we can call it SB. Then second, subject plus verb plus adverb or adjunct. You know adjunct means adverb. Adjunct is a type of adverb that gives more information about the verb. Okay, we can call it SVA. Then third pattern, subject plus verb plus adjective. We call it SVA. Subject plus verb plus complement. You know complement may be noun or adjective. SVC. Subject plus verb plus object. SVO. The next pattern, subject plus verb plus object, indirect object, and also another object, that is direct object. We can call it SVOO. Then subject plus verb plus object plus complement. SVOC. Okay. These are the 7 basic patterns of sentence. So here the first one, subject plus verb. Okay. Here subject, you know, subject may be a noun or may be pronoun. Okay. So here noun. Okay. Here noun, noun. This is pronoun. So here you know verb. Okay. Here verb may be main verb or may be auxiliary verb. Okay. So just take an example here. The birds are flying. The birds are flying. So here this is are helping verb. Are helping verb. Flying main verb. Flying main verb. The child was crying. This is also same. Was helping verb, crying main verb. The old man has died. Has helping verb, died main verb. The girl stands. So here this is simple. Only one verb. This is main verb. Okay. There is no auxiliary verb. You can go. Can auxiliary. Go main verb. So here this is the first basic pattern. That is subject plus verb. Okay. Subject plus verb. Here the exercise. This is the task for you. Try to do it. The following sentences are of the pattern subject plus verb. Show the different pattern SB separately. Okay. You have to do it. If you can't, then you can comment in the comment box. Then I will provide the solution in the next video. Then next basic pattern 2. Subject plus verb plus adverb, or we can also call adjunct. Okay. Adjunct. Adjunct, you know, that gives more information about the verb. One type of, you know, this is adverb. Adjunct. Okay. The old man died yesterday. We call it a adverbial. Okay. Adverbial. SBA. Subject verb adverbial, or subject verb adverb, or subject verb adjunct. The old man died yesterday. They were talking loudly. The train has come now. She worked regularly. The sun was shining brightly. The train was running fast. Okay. This is the adverb of time. Okay. Yesterday adverb of time, adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of manner, manner. These are the adverbs. So this is the second basic pattern, subject plus verb plus adverb, or we also call it adjunct. Okay. SVA. Here are the exercise for you. The following sentences are of pattern subject plus verb plus adverb. Show the different part SVA separately. Try to do it. Okay. Then next basic pattern 3. Subject plus linking verb plus adjective, or we can also call it SVC. A verb that equates the subject and the complement is called the linking verb. I have also made a separate video, linking verb and also complement. You can go to the playlist section and also you can watch. Here you can find. Here you can find this video. This is the video. Okay. Subject complement and object complement. A verb that equates the subject and the complement is called the linking verb. Some linking verb I have already mentioned in the previous video. You can also watch this. Rupa is intelligent. Okay, Rupa is intelligent. You can call it also SVC. Okay, SVC, subject verb complement. Rupa is intelligent. Those birds are thirsty. They became rich. Her daughter looks beautiful. Here the next pattern. Subject plus linking verb plus noun, or you can also call SVC. Okay, SVC, subject verb complement. Misa is my student. C.V. Raman was a scientist. This is subject complement. Okay, subject complement. Chandu became our leader. His uncle looks a doctor. My dog is my friend. Okay, SVC, subject verb complement. This is the basic pattern number 4. Here are the exercise for you. The following sentences are of the pattern subject plus linking verb plus adjective or noun. Show the different parts separately. Try to do. Recognize the pattern of each sentence. There are 2 sentences of each pattern, 1, 2, 4. I have only discussed the 4 basic patterns, and these are the questions are here. Try to do it. Write 5 sentences of the basic pattern subject linking verb adjective, then 5 sentences of the basic pattern subject linking verb noun. I have discussed detail in the previous video of verb. You can go to the playlist section and watch. Detailedly I have discussed. Next, basic pattern 5, subject verb object SVO. My brother ran a race. He has read many books. Our soldiers attacked the enemy. We heard a noise. We are doing our work. Okay, this is the object, direct object. The following sentences are a pattern SVO. Okay, you have to label the SVO. Supply the subject in the following sentences. This is also text for you. Supply the object. This is also you. Supply the object in the following sentences. Okay, you have to try to do it. Write 5 sentences for each of the following basic pattern. You have to write 5 sentences for each. That means for subject verb you have to write 5 sentences, subject verb, adverb 5 sentences. Okay. Then next basic pattern 6, SVOO. SVOO, that means subject verb object, basic pattern number 6. Here 6. SVOO, subject verb object, indirect object and also direct object. Basic pattern number 6. I wrote him a letter. Deepak gave me a book. The teacher will give Mohan a prize. John bought his wife a ring. My parents sent me a telegram. This is the pattern number 6, subject verb object plus object SVOO. This is the exercise for you. You have to do it. These are very easy questions. Try to do. If you cannot, then you can comment in the comment box. Then in the next video I will give all the answer. If you can't do. Okay. Then basic pattern number 7. Subject verb object complement. You can call it SVOC. Subject verb object complement. This complement is an object complement. SVOC. They named the baby Misa. We choose him our leader. The players made Manu their captain. We found the book useful. They kept the place clean. Okay, this is object complement. Object complement. Object complement. Subject and object complement. That is subject complement of non-finite verb. Okay, so that's why we are focusing most often this part. Okay, so let's start. What is complement? The complement is the doctor. John is a doctor. So here John is subject verb plus adjective. Okay, linking verb. If you have not worked
the linking verb. You can go to the playlist section and you can
If you have not
all the
watched
linking
this
verb,
video,
okay? Like
you
to
can
be,
watch, and
to
also you can
become, to
easily
see,
be able to
become,
attempt
to
all
you,
these basic pattern,
okay. She is intelligent, okay?
and
She
you will
is
get a complete
intelligent.
idea about the
So here
subject
she
complement
is
and object
subject,
complement, linking
is
verb.
linking verb, intelligent, that is adjective. So here which, that is adjective, okay? That tells about subject.
The noun or adjective which describe the object is called object complement. Yes, this is the exercise for you. Following sentences are of pattern SBOO. Supply suitable object complement in the following sentences. This is a text for you. Recognize the different pattern of the following sentences. There are 2 sentences of each pattern, 1 to 7. Okay, and you have to find out which pattern are in these following sentences. Then form 2 sentences for each of the 7 basic patterns. I think this video will help you. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. These are the basic 7 patterns of sentences. Okay, thank you.